Shuttle ground runway 25, taxi Alpha, say requested departure route.
Taxi via Alpha, we'd like a right downwind Gorge departure.
Skylane 458, Gorge departure approved out of below 1,500.
Out of below 1,500, 458.
Done this before, I can tell right away.
Well, my airport's kind of small, so typically the tower will do the clearance, not the ground. But so yeah, I'm not used to giving them the request. Okay, so wait a minute, where am I? He said 25.
Yep, so 25 is in the departure into 25 is down here. So this is Alpha. So we're going to turn left and then just come around between the orange 185.
Brakes are good. All right, before takeoff, parking brake. You do park and brake in this, or do you just hold them? Cowl flaps open, flight controls free and correct. Up. Up.
Oops, sorry, I'm in your way.
No, you're fine. Down. All right. Fuel selectors on both elevator rudder trim. Take off and take off. Throttle 17. Feet on the brakes. It's nice and smooth. 1700. All right. And meters check. Suction was here is good. Magnetos will go left. I'm looking here. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
75. Back to both. Back to both. Good. Carb heat. Wow.
Significant drop.
Jeez.
The carburetor is quite a distance from the engine, so it's not subjected to the heat as much, so it will get carburetor ice.
All right, and propeller cycle from low to high.
So right now, for that, you don't use the vernier, you push the button and you pull it until it affects a change.
Okay.
And you're looking for three things: RPM decrease and recovery. The second time you do it, manifold pressure increase and recovery. And then the last time you do it, you're going to be looking for oil pressure decrease and recovery. There's the RPM. And
Too much?
About 1400 is definitely as low as you want to go.
Okay.
And once more for manifold pressure. Yep, shows an increase.
Oh, okay.
And then last, we've got oil pressure. We'll do it once more. And what that also does is it flows hot new oil into the hub.
Into the hub.
So the props are even more responsive.
Got it. Flight instruments and radios set. So we need power in there. Optional autopilot off. Cabin doors, windows.
Ground runway 25, taxi Bravo. Runway 25, via Bravo.
Looks good.
Looks good to me.
I'm a happy camper. If everybody's happy.
I'm good.
Happy too.
Troutdale Tower Skylane 52458 at Alpha and 8, ready for departure.
52458, Troutdale Tower, hold short, landing traffic.
Holding short, 458.
Skylane 458, runway 25, clear for takeoff, right down departure, respond.
458, clear for takeoff, right turn, approved.
Mixture instruments time.
Yep.
Transponder.
No.
We'll flick that to alt. Clockwise, there you go.
Got it.
Wait. Mixture instruments time, transponder, seatbelt secure switches. If we want to throw anything on like a strobes, we can. Seatbelts are secure, flaps set for takeoff, cowl flaps open, heading indicator should align with the runway.
Sorry, didn't do that. I'll do that when I get up here.
Roger.
Final is clear. There I am, not thinking through everything. 25.
Perfect.
Ready?
Yes, sir. I'm all set
Good
and happy.
to go. Imagine she needs quite a bit of right rudder.
A little bit. Nice straight ailerons. All the way in. Feeder off the brakes, airspeed's alive, engine instruments are in the green.
60 knots, 60. Climb out at 90.
Little to the right. Track that center line.
Yeah, so see what you mean by it being heavy.
It's a big sky truck.
It really is.
We're off the departure end of the runway now, so we can make our first turn to the right if you wish. See if we can get that sun out of our eyes.
Yeah.
And he wants us out of below 1,500 till 2 miles east.
Yeah.
Which is just about Reed Island. So we're going to actually fly over that little island out there before we make any turns to the north.
Okay.
And that way we're predictable traffic for him. And to level off.
Tower, Cessna 64895, Bravo 8, request departure.
64895, Troutdale Tower, makes less traffic, runway 25, please take off.
To level off, a good power setting is going to be 23 inches of manifold pressure by 2300 RPM.
Oh, that's heavy. Okay, 23.
23 inches by 2300 RPM.
Do I do 23 RPM first or 23?
You're going to affect the throttle first.
Okay.
Props always stay on top. There you go. And then just use the vernier style. It's going to be pretty responsive. Wind that out until you get 2300 RPM. Perfect. And that gives us a nice intermediate level off power setting until we get just east of Reed Island. And then what we'll do is we'll push the throttle in first, so throttles always stay on top.
All right.
And then we'll have full power, and then we'll head towards Mount St. Helens, and we'll climb at 110.